independently pour a drink, like have a hand like the photo or the same method would be able to be used with a bottle. A bottle drink, not a baby bottle, a bottle drink.
Yes.
And I wanted to hear about the hot that people would make me prefer to you. We prefer to you.
Are you sponsored by Starbucks?
No, but I really could be because I love it. We prefer to you.
Starbucks, if you're listening.
We prefer to you two top that are not in the tail when we tip them. With our minute on because sometimes people with camel party tremble. I know I tremble in my hair a lot when I'm tired or when I'm after week, so that can prevent that can make me feel a lot of tremble on myself. Right, Mom?
Yep.
And I'm gonna do it on the mid and that's my any point. Alright, so how many made up if you made it picking it up without trembling? I know sometimes I do. So I put my hands on the inside of the top. Yeah, I wanted to stay there, but I hammer myself. Now, within this part more, there's going to be a little bit more attack. Because you don't want to tell November that you're going to put in. So, I'm going to use both my hands, I think. Kind of, I seem to have put the top on the wrong way. Or maybe not. Take your time. But you know what? I'm
not sure that has to be screwed on the whole all the way. I think it's kind of. I think you got it. Man.
Yeah, Ron Howard. And it
looks pretty solid.
Pretty hard for me too. If you're not going to take your hand and run your finger around the F, I'm not. If my heart moves or not. No. How you can move your finger in the knocking position. And that's how someone with cerebral palsy pour her own drink. Hope this video helped her. Happy Wednesday, everyone.